they've got a great shot. Got a massive wave going back there, but it's all up to the dolphins if they want to go or not. It's not up to me. I can't force them to go behind the boat. We got a couple jumps out of them, but it just didn't really seem like they were in the mood to go. If we get another opportunity, I'll always try to get them to do it. That's my favorite thing to do while we're out here. And it's just all up to the dolphins. What we're going to do is head out towards the Gulf of Mexico. I know these dolphins are hanging out back here. We can't find any in the Gulf. We know they're back in the spot. Now, sea conditions in the Gulf this afternoon. It has been pretty windy today, and it's kicked up a little wind chop out there. So as we head out towards the Gulf, be very careful if you want to continue standing up and walking around, because it's a little choppy out there.
Get all the drink for them.
Just take personal responsibility to hold on to something as we go out towards the Gulf.
Want to pick you up?